A Klover app update can temporarily cause login issues, crashes, missing features, or slow performance if the new version conflicts with your device, cached data, or a temporary server issue. By the end of this video, you'll know how to figure out whether the update caused the problem and what you can do to get Klover working again. If Klover stopped working immediately after an update, start by completely closing the app and reopening it. Temporary problems during the first launch after an update are common, and a fresh restart can reload the updated files correctly. Next, check that you're using the latest version available in your device's app store. Developers sometimes release a second update shortly after the first one to fix bugs discovered after launch. Installing the newest version may resolve the issue without any additional troubleshooting. If the problem continues, restart your phone. This clears temporary system processes that may still be using older app data from before the update. After your phone turns back on, open Klover again and check whether the issue has been resolved. Another step is to make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if possible. If Klover works on one connection but not the other, the issue may be related to your network rather than the app itself. If you're unable to log in, double-check that you're using the correct account credentials. If your bank account appears disconnected after the update, open the Linked Account section and see whether Klover is asking you to reconnect your financial institution. Some updates may require you to reauthorize connected services. If the app still crashes or freezes, uninstalling and reinstalling Klover can replace damaged installation files that may have been created during the update process. Before doing this, make sure you know your login information so you can sign back into your account afterward. If none of these steps solve the problem, check whether Klover is experiencing a broader service issue. If the service is operating normally, contact Klover support through the app or its official support channel. Include your device model, operating system version, the app version if available, and screenshots or screen recordings of the problem. Those details help the support team identify update-related bugs more quickly. To sum up, restart the app and your phone, install any newer updates, verify your account connections, and reinstall the app if necessary. If the issue started immediately after an update and still hasn't been fixed, report it with detailed information so Klover can investigate. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more Klover troubleshooting tips and app fixes.